Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Good morning. Why everyone is doing the same mistake. Good morning, good morning. Took a look at the charts a few minutes before, and I didn't really see anything coming, but I thought, okay, let's go live, maybe find something.
Good morning, Seth.
Hello, my friend. New mic.
Yes, new mic. You will regret this.
I don't think so.
We'll see.
Finally. Welcome to the chatting side, not just listening.
I am looking at EA. If you could check my chart.
Okay, let me see. EA, okay. There are some good rejections there. So this is the zone here. Okay. Looks good. It looks good, not bad. We have a few rejections. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of rejections here. Price couldn't break above. We'll see. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, I think we can have more continuation here on the daily too. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Looks like it's a 4 hour level too. I think this is good. We might take this.
I know also GJ. It's small consolidation, but it's very bullish maybe. And there is some wicks to fill.
GJ, we'll see about GJ. It's consolidating here. Let me check on the left if we do have any major zone. Yeah, looks like we have a pretty strong zone on the daily here. Thing is, I wouldn't be very sure to take buys on GJ at this level right now because it has pushed a lot and it's Friday, so there might be positions closing on Friday and the bullish momentum might be not as strong as it was before. So with the chance of being a fake out might be higher today. I think I'd stay with EA if it gives us a nice chance here. Looks good, not bad at all. We'll see. USDCAD can give us a good trade too. We have some nice rejection, a double top here. If we make a new high here, we might be in a good position to take some buys. AJ at the other side here had a nice break and retest, I think so. Yeah, I was a bit not scary, I was cautious to take buys here because I thought it might come for a deeper retest since it broke two zones.
But it was a ton of the Euro news at the time.
Yeah, that's also one reason. But look, it's a nice break and retest here. Close above this major consolidation box there. And quick 10 pips. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe EA gives us a chance here at the end of this candle. See CAD, JPY. Looks like we have a resistance here. 4 hour looks pretty bullish. I saw UJ a few hours ago, and I thought hopefully it's gonna come like 3 hours ago. Yeah, it's gonna come for a retest, but it didn't. Because this could have been a very nice. Look at all these rejections on the 4 hour. This would be a nice break and retest, but it didn't happen. There was no retest. ADJPY. Wow, GCAT's been just pushing and pushing. Look at this trend here. It's crazy. GA80 CAD. Looks like it might be going and close below, but I wouldn't trust this. Okay, so we'll see. We have another 30 minutes left until the end of the candle. Plenty. What happened to your copy service? What do you mean? What happened? It's still running. If you didn't look at it. Easy trade on as the DGPY if it breaks resistance. We deleted that pair. I'm gonna delete even as the CAD because these pairs have all big spread. It's not worth trading them. USDCHF, it's in a massive consolidation box. Are we gonna get a breakout or not? This can be nice. I don't know if it's gonna respect the zone after it breaks, but it should be nice. We'll see. EU, I looked at EU when this candle, but it was still between two zones. It still had this zone here, so it didn't really break above to have some continuation. I'm gonna take a look, but I don't think I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna stay away from these pairs. But the setup looks perfect. You're right, setup looks perfect. We'll see about this. Think is next hour it breaks and we have a 4 hour breakout too. So a double confirmation coming soon. Let's see what happens. Herman, welcome, morning. How are you, my friend? Ooh, it's pushing. It is pushing. All GPY pairs are pushing, including GJ here. Did we have any news? Because it looked like a move that was affected by something. See, only EA is not moving that much, still in the same place. EA, I don't know, it's gonna be a bit of a risky trade because of pair. Not because of the setup. Hopefully we have a strong breakout. A breakout like without a top wick and retest coming without a top wick too. That can be the best. Herman, that's great that you closed at break even. Apparently Elon Musk bought some Bitcoin? No way. Yeah, I see. Back to 38k. Nick, I think I would stay away from GU because it's very messy to be honest. It's still in this consolidation and it's been crazy these last days, few last days. It's there's too many zones, there's too many wicks, big wicks, zone after zone in small ranges. I would rather just skip it. I don't like trading GU right now. Unless it gives something clean that we can take. Right now I wouldn't. Any thoughts about EA? Yeah, we're waiting for a breakout. I think we can have some easy 10, 20 pips here on EA. I think it's gonna be good. Shouldn't disappoint. I am 99% that we'll never see 20k again. Who knows? Maybe you're right. The fact that it made a pullback, now it's back to 40k almost, yeah, chances are lower. But in the long term, it might come again. You never know. UJ, I don't see a setup there yet. It already had a possible setup and didn't make the retest here at the zone. Went all the way up. It's very bullish right now. Let me check, because something might be happening. Or maybe no. Look, on the new side, I think we're good. We don't have anything to worry about until later on in your session, so we can take a nice quick trade here. Hopefully it doesn't go too far. What about Aussie dollar if it breaks below 0.76.40? No, I'm gonna skip Aussie dollar. I don't like the setup. It's a weak zone here. I'm gonna stay with EA. I'm just afraid that another 20 minutes it's gonna go too far. Mojo. I've talked about this so many times. On GBP pairs, I want a 10 pips breakout because they are more volatile. And on pairs like Euro pairs or USD, more than 5 pips, at least 5-6 pips is good enough. Can you hear me? Good. Thought I was muted. Okay. Can you check my chart? Yes. Shame on you. Shame on you. You are banned from this channel for life. GBP CAD. I wouldn't take anything here. Simply that there's not enough of a good zone to take anything here. See, there's just bullish candles. Gonna wait for EA. It's coming soon. We have another 10 minutes, so it's gonna be good. Where I'm gonna enter, we're gonna see. In a 2 pip, 2-3 pip range, probably. Even a 5 pip range, because it's gone pretty far right now. It doesn't look like, but it's 20 pips. Is it not coming from resistance? Or do you see that resistance? I think there's not enough of a resistance to make this go all the way to the downside. 4 hour, let's take a look. Well, if you look to the 4 hour where candles are closed, it's above that. If you look left where candles are closed, it's much higher. So I think it shouldn't be a problem, actually. I just think that it's not gonna come for a retest at all. That's what I think. Hello, my friend. Hello. USD quite similar setup. We'll see. I didn't see a setup on USD before. There is one here, as it looks like. Yeah, we'll see. Looks good. Pretty big pullback here, going all the way above and closing above this resistance. Might be good. We have another 6 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're back. We're back. No break on USD. Good break on Euro AUD. Let's see if it comes for a retest now. Get ready. I think I'm not gonna use big risk here because it's Friday. I'm gonna go slow.
Set, and this is a thing that I am a little bit struggle with. This EA for me it is coming from this 1 hour and now 4 hour resistance, but like 2 times, like the most recent price action, it's nothing in I think in most recent price action. So I don't know what is more important.
Yeah, to be honest, I have the same problem. If we had a better close, maybe I would say, okay, we're gonna still take this. I don't know. We're in between two zones here, and that's a 26 pip zone. Then we have the zone below. The 1 hour looks good. The 4 hour is at resistance. Which one to trust?
Yeah, but
Uh,
if we look on the most recent price action, it looks like it didn't respect it too much. Yeah, but
yeah, it doesn't look like a real
yeah,
resistance, but I don't know if we're not fully convinced on this, then we just have to skip this. But I have to skip this then. What can we do? Even though I like the 1 hour a lot, and I think it's gonna give a 1 hour rejections easy. I don't know. I don't know. I don't like that 4 hour going against me. That's what I don't like. NZD, JPY, a break. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I said I'm not gonna trade it, but who knows? Might have a nice breakout. It has also 4 hour breakout. I can't lie, this is a perfect setup. It is a perfect setup. It's just the move it should make. Yeah, we only need 10 pips here if we take this. But counting the spread here, let me take a look what spread I have here. It's not bad. It's not bad. But we gotta find a very good entry. 0.60 maybe. Or no, 0.30, 0.40. Because entry should be on point. So we get some good pips with this kind of spread. Let's see, we're having a straight pullback. It's coming. I mean, I don't see why this shouldn't work out. It's a perfect trade. It's a perfect setup. We have a break of 10 pips. It broke on the 1 hour, it broke on the 4 hour, double confirmation. All we need is some continuation. The only thing is that might take a while until it does that.
What stop loss would you lose? Would you use?
Stop loss. Let's see if ours entry would be here. Yeah, I think around 10 pip stop loss. I think I would need it more than that. Around 10 pips. Let's see, it's coming right away for that retest. I don't know. It's not my kind of pair, but maybe just should try it. Yeah, I think 0.50 should be the entry. Stop loss below this wick probably shouldn't be needed more than that, because if it comes all the way down there, it's over. It's unfortunate that it's Friday, because this could have been a epic trade. Would have this whole range to fill. I mean, the least this should do is come at this next zone here. That's the next resistance. Let me check the daily. Yeah, it has gone above the daily too. It makes perfect sense to see more continuation. Yeah, 1 hour is there now. Who wants to buy his time? I don't know. I'm skeptical. I'm skeptical. It's just I don't feel comfortable trading a pair that I never trade. It's a secondary pair. The setup is good. Setup is there. I like the setup, and I took a buy. What can we do? If we don't risk it, we will regret it later, so I don't want to regret it. I took a position here. Stop loss is going to be below here. Let's see how it works, because the risk reward here should be very good. Let's see if it's going to respect the zone or not. I think this is a good time, so you guys get convinced if it's good to trade these secondary pairs. This is the best possible setup that you can find. It's a 1 hour breakout, it's a 4 hour breakout, it's a 10 pips breakout. It fills all the requirements that you can have here. If it doesn't work, you know that you should leave secondary pairs alone. That's all. I risked here 0.60%, not even a full percent. But it can give me 1% a return here if I hold it to the next level, which might take some time. Okay, so I'm telling you guys again, we are on buys. You should already know buy. Oh, it's a break. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it respects zones or not. I mean, it did respect them a lot when it was here. Plenty of rejections. Now having a break and retest should do the same. Use small risk, guys, because I think it's the first time that we're trading against the DJPY here. You don't go full margin in a setup that you've never seen before, in a pair that you've never traded before. Just go slowly. As I told you guys, 0.50% risk here, 0.5060, same thing. No risk, no biscuit. True. If you don't risk it, there's no biscuit for you. Fun morning, morning, my friend. This is USD JPY 2.0, moving slow as hell. To get a 10 pip move here, look what we're gonna need: a whole pullback, and we need to turn bullish to get a 10 pip move. We'll see if it's gonna do that. I have doubts that it's gonna do in this candle, but you never know. There might be some good momentum there, and we might do that. Well, we'll see. For now, we don't really have much movement. No, I don't trade with fibs, with Fibonacci. I don't trade with them. We don't need them. gonna be a long wait here on NZT Have you taken this trade? Well, I said like 2-3 times that I did. Pay attention, guys, pay attention. It's coming lower. Let's see what happens. The 4 hour, it's coming deeper too. Is it gonna come to 980? It shouldn't, because that means going below the 1 hour previous support. It looks like gonna give stop loss, maybe. But I'm not really worried about it. I'm just taking this trade to see how it works. It's not a pair we trade every day. That's why also we used low risk. So all these things, we'll see what happens. I just know that's going to take a lot of time. Chances of hitting stop loss faster than going to profit are higher, because stop loss is closer to than the take profit, so it's easier. No, if there's a price where price should reject, is this, because look at all these rejections. It wouldn't make sense to come deeper. I mean, because of 4 hour it might, but going below this previous wick here would mean that price is probably going to close back in the range. Even though if it comes early in the opening few minutes, there's still a chance that price might continue up still, even though it comes deeper. We'll see. We got a rejection here. Nothing much, but You have 20 pips take profit. Do I think it's going to be good? Well, it should be, because that's the next zone. A 20 pip, the next zone is 20 pips away on the 4 hour. That's the next zone it should go to, but how long is it going to take? And it's Friday, so it's going to take a while, probably. For me, a 10 pip move is enough here. How much is my spread? Let me see. Zero point 0.3, I think. Think 0.3. Yeah, yeah, hopefully there's still momentum here. And we have some more continuation. The thing is, it's a 4 hour breakout. It's a high probability trade when you have both time frames, 1 hour and 4 hour, giving you a break and retest. I mean, what else can you ask? That's the best you can get. And you don't usually get a break on both time frames. Nice pullback. Let's see if we can go bullish. If we go bullish on this, that would be epic. Day two. You're staying without the voice? You can.
Beto is cheating. He is at work and he is straight. He's here.
Yeah.
Maybe we should inform someone.
No.
I don't think he can hear us. Yesterday he told that he was only watching the stream.
Yeah, same today.
Then we can talk shit about him. That's good.
No, he's our best friend.
Yeah, he's our puppet. In a good way. In a good way, I mean. Like a team puppet.
Wow. NZD JPY. What a rejection. Let's go, let's go, let's go bullish now. Almost there. We have 6 pips. Another 4 pips is for going bullish, and it's over.
Said if it hits if it turns bullish, would you go break even? I think.
No, if it goes bullish,
Yeah.
I'm closing everything.
Even if it goes to the highs, then how much pips do you have there?
Yeah, if it goes bullish here, I have 1-to-1 risk reward. So
I have something, so it's better to close there.
yeah, I'm not gonna hold on to this for too long, because it might take some time and come back to your entry again. I don't want that, so I just want a 1-to-1 risk reward here, and I'm out. First time trading it, it's pretty good for the first time. It's to gain some experience on this pair. After this, we'll see then. It didn't actually take too much time. I mean, 30 minutes, not bad. Next 30 minute might push and make this go bullish. Let's see. It's 7 pips now. Yeah, it should at least go bullish. After that, it might reject again, I don't know, but I'll be done with it. I would like to see this coming all the way to my entry again after this whole pullback. Leaving a small runner can be a good idea, of course. You can always leave a runner. But on C-Trader, I don't leave runners for now. Until we're in a good position to leave runners, I'm not leaving any runner. Let's go, let's go. Let's turn bullish. It's time. It's time to turn bullish here. Nick, that's very nice. Are you risking same as we talked about? Nice. 30-minute open now. That's why we had that small push. Let's see if we can go bullish. Almost there. Never been closer. Actually, I wouldn't like to see this coming all the way to break even again. I'm gonna move my stop at break even just in case. It's almost bullish, almost bullish. Let's see, let's see. Another 3 pips. Let's go 8.5, 8 pips. Almost there. We are officially bullish. Nice. Let's go. Make a new high. Quickly as the DJPY. Perfect. I got 1-to-1 risk reward now. But let's see if I can do a little bit more. I got 0.64%. Can I get 0.70? Very nice pullback. Should push more now. It should. But I have 9 pips now. I think I'm gonna close perfecto. Nice trade. Nice trade, guys. This was pretty nice. Didn't really expect to move this fast, but it was good. Guys, I think move your stop break even, secure some. For myself, I closed everything because I don't really need more than that. That's what I wanted here. That was my target, 1-to-1 risk reward. Uh, Done for me. It's a new pair that I haven't traded before, so more than enough. Yeah, for a Friday, it's perfect. 0.60%. Copy trader is back, slowly coming up. Now we are back at less than -1% in the account, slowly climbing up where we were before. We had 3 trades in a row, 3 wins in a row, so pretty decent pullback, pretty decent comeback. Maybe it's better. We made some nice percentage these days. GCAD, GU, NZD, JPY. What's going to be next? The only thing here, guys, don't let this come back to your entry. Not without taking some profit. Let's see. What else is going to be next? EA did some continuation. EURSD might be. It might be, who knows? I'm probably done for this week, guys. I'm probably done. I don't know if I'm gonna take another trade. I've already had 3 wins in a row this week, so that's perfect. Other than that, I don't think so. Let's see. I think it should continue more. It might wait for the next candle, but it should continue more. And I'm gonna have to go now too. I'm gonna have to go now. Nick, that's perfect, man. That's perfect. Let's go. Another 2 trades or 3, and you're done. You're gonna pass that. Darcy, yeah. My buy and sell, they have a sound. I don't know if you heard that when I took it. You should have heard that. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you all for being here today. We called a nice trade. Have a nice weekend. Leave a like. Let's see these likes go higher. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Likes go higher. We make more giveaways. That's how it goes. More likes, more giveaways. Let's check, my friend. Next week you're gonna catch more. Don't worry. This was a great week, of course. Hopefully, next week's gonna continue the same, and some consistent weeks gonna come.
Yes, was perfect week, but yeah, I messed up my trade on GU, and I
Yeah.
made winning in losing, and I will not do it again. So yeah,
Let that just be a lesson for you, of course.
yeah, hope
Don't
so.
worry, you're gonna catch more. Thank you all.
Thanks, thanks, thanks.
See you.
Have a
See you
good
for
day,
now.
weekend. Bye.
You too. As DJPY pushing more, that's nice. That's 11 pips now. Going even more. But it's gonna have to go down. Thank you all, guys. See you next week.